box creation. There's thing. It shows you what's all in the box and some instructions for what you'll be doing. This looks cool. It's a round trip by Ann Jonas, and it's a two-sided book. So the pictures go both ways. So this one was, town was empty, the store still closed. But if you turn it over, it's, we took the tunnel under the river. That's super cool. And I can't wait to read this.
That is cool. Do you think that's the kind of art you'll be doing today?
Maybe. I've never used this before, but over here it says it's a rubber brayer. This looks cool, and I think I'll be using this later on. And it looks like we have some paper shapes. Some cotton swabs. They're like giant Q-tips. It even comes with a bunch of napkins.
Good.
Well, this looks like it's packed very well.
Must be delicate, huh?
No, it's just a bunch of paints.
Ah.
And then at the bottom, we have a bunch of colorful paper.
It's hard to get it out, huh?
Uh-huh. And then underneath, it looks like you can put these under when you're working on the art so that it won't get everywhere.
That is cool. Okay, I'm going to do this art box with you, okay?
Okay.
This will be fun. I can't wait to get going on that.